So my friends, from this parking lot to a place called home, soon I'll be on my way. The transition has completed. Finally. Finally, my friends. Look what I got. Let's see if I can find it. I got the keys to my little domicile. Full transition of now becoming, or has become, or is now, whatever the adjectives are, I'm now a Florida resident, officially. I got my house. Thanks for joining me along the journey. I'm heading home now. See, I still have all my stuff with me, with more stuff to come. I am heading home. Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Oh, today, my friends, I am home. Transition completed. As I showed you earlier, got the keys, and they, now it's time to really start a new chapter. There's a lot of construction going on. It's normally not fun, but it's something I'm used to. I would say 99% of the homes that I ever purchase, it's always new construction. I never lived behind anyone. I think my first house that I purchased in New Jersey, my very first house was a fixer-upper. A lot of the work I did myself. As a matter of fact, I had an extension to the house with a family member, and that house was quite a talk. Ever since then, all the other houses that I purchased, let's see, one additional house in New Jersey, 3 in Las Vegas, so was it 4 in Las Vegas? First one on Simple Life Avenue at the past complicated lane, and the one in Texas, and here now, all brand new homes. Just the way I roll. I like it better that way. I don't like surprises, so that's one of the reasons why. But my friend, buying a house, it's quite a process, and even though you're an experienced individual, it is still quite a process. I still get jumpy every time I see an email asking for this, asking for that. Now I know I can produce them because as a former realtor, they're just a simple method of keeping your record straight, keeping things where you can find them, and producing your document as speedy as possible. As a future realtor, I will dare to counsel my future home buyers to do the same. Make the process a lot easier. But it's a natural process to feel jumpy when buying a home. It's just that's the way it is. When somebody's doing you a favor, loaning you money, everything you're in their hands, and so that's the jittery you normally go through. But my friends, to cut it short, I am home, and this will be home, perhaps forever, unless I hit it somewhere. Or unless my new venture put me in a place where I can say, okay, fine, this is my second home. But for now, This will suffice. Thanks for coming along with me. Haines City, here I am. Okay, so this is the first time I'm stepping foot in here since the walkthrough in December 11. Let's see if they do a good job cleaning.
From the #1 station, this is a story about love. A love story.
Right. Smell chemically in here, but it looks clean.
In love is music. Yeah. Sing the song, brother, sing the song.
Let's take a look in here.
Sing the song, you could never be wrong. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, did they take my paperwork out? It's supposed to be left in here. On my cross. Huh.
Do you hear that?
Okay. All right, let's see what happened. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Everywhere I go. Yes. He walks with me. Oh, pretty good job. All right, my friends, so here I am. It's time to get some junk in here. I am home. So my friends, everything is in disarray. Of course, this house is empty. It actually has an echo. But I got a gift. And it's Tiffany. Let's see what's in the bag. Let's put this down, see if we can manage it a little better. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what's there. Not chatty, huh? All right. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what it is. Let's bring the camera around a little bit here. And see if we can help. Don't need to look at me. Trying to not shabby, as we would say. See if, make sure you can see that. It's a champagne flute. I don't think the camera is at the right angle. But my friends, it is champagne flute, and it's Tiffany. I gotta really take good care of this. That's special. Special occasion. I have two. Cheers. Oh, silly me. Okay.
Live and let others live.
It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone.